So this is lecture 13. Okay, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the PN sequence. Okay, and this topic you guys already covered. Okay, in digital communication. So we quickly review the concept about this PN sequence. Okay, so if I talk about this PN sequence, the first term is coming pseudo. Okay, so pseudo means your signal is not purely random. It has some properties of random, okay, signal, but not purely random signal. Okay, so you can say that your PN sequence, basically PN sequence is a binary sequence because it has the value only 0 and 1. Binary sequence with an autocorrelation and autocorrelation that that resembles over a period over a period the the autocorrelation of a random binary sequence. Random binary sequence. Okay, so all of you know how to generate this PN sequence. Okay, basically it has the characteristic of white noise. Okay, I hope all of you know white noise when you have seen this white Gaussian noise. Okay, so it has the property of white noise. Okay, and it is PN sequences are useful in the case of the communication. Okay, most of the time when we use CDMA technology. Okay, all of you know that we have GSM and CDMA technology. CDMA technology के कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स थे जिनको हम अभी जब हम GSM CDMA में पढ़ेंगे तब देखेंगे. उस CDMA में most of the time we use this PN sequences because it has the some property of random signal. Okay, and also a white noise. Okay, now if I talk about this some properties. Okay, so if I want to write some properties about this PN sequences, so you can say it is deterministic. It is deterministic. First one, you can write it down. Nearly equal number, nearly equal number of zeros and ones. ये मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज जो हमारी रैंडम बाइनरी सीक्वेंसेस की होती है. इसलिए मैंने बोला सीडो मीन्स नॉट प्योरली रैंडम सिग्नल. ओके, रैंडम जनरेशन, रैंडम सिग्नल जनरेशन जो हम करते हैं प्योरली नहीं होता, बट सम हाउ इट इज नियरली most of the properties, okay, belongs to random characteristic. And very low correlation, very low correlation, that is correlation between your shifted version of the version of the sequence. Okay, SEQUEN sequence. very low correlation between, next one is very low correlation between any two sequences. Okay, and it is generated by using sequential logic circuit. Okay, it is generated by using sequential circuits. Okay, now if I talk about the how we are going to sorry, how you are going to generate this PN sequence. Okay, these are the some properties. So if I talk about the generation of the PN sequences, so you can see over here, this is the basically block diagram how to generate your PN sequences. Okay, so these somehow related to this delay unit. Okay, and this operation is known as the XOR operation. Okay, so important point you can see over the qualified pseudo implies that the sequence is not truly random. Actually, it is periodic with the possibly large period and exhibits some characteristic of the random white sequences within the period. As I told you previously, it has the some properties of white noise and some characteristic of being a random sequence. Okay. Now this PN sequence is generated by this linear feedback shifted resistors. Okay, as shown in the figure. So shifting, you can also say these are the delay units क्योंकि shift हो रही है. Okay, you can see over here. Here you are going getting the value xk minus 1, coefficient xk minus 1. Here you are getting the xk minus 2. So shifting property over here xk minus 1, xk minus 2 up to x minus n plus 1, xk minus n. Okay, and these are the your, you can see over here, constant values, coefficient values, and this is your XOR operation is going on. So in this figure xk is binary whether it is 0 or 1, and hj is your constant where j is going to belong 0 to n. जितने नंबर ऑफ आपके बिट्स आपको पीएन सीक्वेंस का जो भी लेट्स सी 5 बिट पीएन सीक्वेंस 6 बिट, सो दैट इज द योर वैल्यू. This operation is denoted the XOR operation. Okay, it means if you want to calculate the value of xk, okay, so xk की वैल्यू क्या होगी अगर मैं यहाँ पे बोलना चाहूँ what is the value of xk, what you are getting over here. So you can see over there h1 xk minus 1, h1 xk minus 1, and this is going to XOR. So XOR किससे एक्स के माइनस टू एच टू जोर. सो डॉट 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 लास्ट में क्या है एक्स के माइनस एन एच एन. So in this way here you will get the PN sequence. Now it's depending upon the n, obviously how many number of bits in a sequence. Okay, कितने number of bit का आपको PN sequence generate करना. Okay, now xk XOR xk, you know the property. अगर हम xk का xk से XOR करेंगे you will get the 0. Okay, so here this is some properties यहाँ पे given है. If you are taking the different combination xk h1k minus 1 plus xk xk up to hn, that equivalent to 0. So you can represent the in this form. So basically in this manner you can generate your PN sequence. Now it's depending upon the how many number of bits, means you have 5 bit, 6 bit, 3 bit PN sequence. So on the basis of n की वैल्यू आपकी क्या हो जाएगी, वो चेंज हो जाएगी. Okay, suppose you have 3 bits, so obviously you have to use H1, H2, H3, H1, H2, H3. Okay, so in this way you can generate the your PN sequence. Okay, and this system generation is called the your PN sequence generator. Okay, if I talk about the in same thing is given your Rappaport, but in Rappaport this diagram is little bit different. Okay, so they have not seen the how this D or shifting coefficient, okay, and XOR operation, they just write it down in the term of feedback in stage 1. So in Rappaport it is given your, that is your feedback logic. Okay, here stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, in this manner it is given. Here obviously clock which is controlling this stages, so that is your clock stage 1, 2, 3, let's see m number of sequence. So here it is going to in this manner. Okay, so स्टेज 1 से जा रहा है, स्टेज 2 से जा रहा है, एंड सो ऑन. यहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसे ही जा रहा है. सो इट इज गोइंग टू in this manner. Okay, and here you are getting the, this is your feedback. Okay, and here you are getting the PN sequence output. So in book, okay, उन्होंने represent नहीं किया this internal block diagram, how you are going to how your this H1 H2 जो coefficient है, how this shifting block, okay, because you are using shift register over here. Okay, so they are working, how you are getting the xk value. Okay, so in Rappaport it is not given, they have given some theoretical portion over here. Okay, so this is you can, if you want to draw in exam, you can draw this diagram also. Okay, that is your generalized feedback shift register with AM stages. Okay, so this is also a generation of the your feedback. Okay, students. So this is all about your PN sequence. What are what they have properties, and what are the how you are going to generate this PN sequence.